not a stranger to what Alaska looks like. No, 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 birdies. You don't get to eat that food. No, you don't. Up, 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 up. Yeah, yeah. No, no. Oh. Well, that's the wildlife I've seen so far. Pretty much. Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Hi.
That's a cute kid, huh?
Yes.
Yes, birds, birdies. Yeah, if you leave your breakfast, they'll get it.
There are actually no moose in Juneau due to the ice fields, which you're going to see part of today. We don't have any moose in Juneau because they can't pass the ice fields. That's also why you can't get to Juneau but during the course of the summer we'll see about 850,000 tourists. So it's quite a large
The ones from Russia were just
Okay.
So this is the downtown area. So ladies, keep your eyes open for any shops you want to stop by. And husbands, try and distract your wives as much as possible. Driving over the Gold Creek. This is where Joe Juneau found gold in 1880, which started the town. All you'll find there today is concrete.
I've heard of people visiting places like Alaska and falling in love with them, deciding to live there. This is the first time that I remember actually feeling that way about a spot. This is really pretty. This is the Mendenhall Glacier. Goes way up in there. And water comes down from the melting glacier as the glacier retreats.
Yeah, you can see right up. It's like hooks.
Carves out the land.
Very interesting. You think of that just flat, but that's how the hunks drop off.
Oh my God, it's so gorgeous
Yeah.
up close.
Yeah.
You ready? Ready to go? It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the tramway going up the big hill. Actually coming down. These are the people waiting. This is the one we're going to take. Mount Roberts Tramway, Juneau, Alaska. Juneau. Juneau.
下来之后，算是开始边在左边会看到那个山。
来咯，来咯。
Raven car 10-4. And we are on Raven car. We have two cars. We have Raven and Eagle. Well, as I said earlier, welcome to Mount Roberts Tramway. We opened up August 10th, 1996. It took a year and a half to build. It cost us $17 million. We are owned and operated by Gold Belt Incorporated, which is a local native corporation. We're about to be rising 1,800 vertical feet above sea level to our sky bridge at our mountain station. Is everyone excited to go up the mountain today?
Hey.
Fantastic. We are powered by that excitement.
Yay!
If you weren't excited enough, I'd have to do some magic tricks. And if you were too excited, I'd have to tell some really bad jokes so you don't speed up the mountain too fast. We'll be starting our journey here momentarily. Well, at the moment it's about a 3-minute trip, so I'll be telling you about some of the, it won't be as long as my usual 5-minute spiel, but I try to cram everything in there.
How come it's 3 minutes instead of 5?
Because we're running at full speed right now, so we don't get too clogged up. Usually our speed, like I said, it only takes 5 minutes. But right now it's 3 minutes about, and away we go. See, you were more excited than you thought you were.
Yes, it's pretty exciting now.
And just across the Juneau Channel here is Douglas Island, where about 10% of our population live. Douglas Island is 17 miles long and 5 miles wide. The current estimated population of Juneau is about 33,000 people.